I have an office update for you guys. For those of you who missed it, I gave my home office a makeover, and I will leave the link to the office tour in my description and on my blog at Be My Guest with Denise, where you will see more inspiring posts and pictures that I may have not shared here. So in that video, I wanted to know what you guys thought of the flower wall decal that I shared, and you all had some pretty amazing ideas of where it should go, but the majority vote won. I've partnered up with Rocky Mountain Wall Decals to share their beautiful decals, their Peony flower wall sticker. What's included? 8 flowers, 5 large leaves, and 10 small leaves. As far as the size of the wall decals, it varies. 8 separate flowers range from 15 width by 16 in height to 27 width by 24 inches in height. The 15 leaves are separated, ranging in sizes from 4 inches wide by 7 inches high to 8 inches wide by 12 inches high, and the detail instructions are included and a small squeegee as well. I chose to place the decal on this wall where the window is, in the corner cascading down the wall. I wanted it here because it's the focal point when you walk in the room, so if I decide to move my desk, it will still remain the focal point. And here's the results. These wall stickers make such a bold yet elegant statement, and what I love about their wall decals is that the installation was super easy. Just peel and stick. It's removable, which is plus because it does not damage your walls, and it's reusable. You can use them over and over again, and I will leave a link to Rocky Mountain Wall decals down below. And you may have noticed another new addition, my blush panels. They are from Home Goods and the color is very soft with a subtle shimmer. I always hang my drapery from the very top. It makes the room look so much taller. And I added fabric to the bottom so it could touch the floor. You guys have seen me do that before. So since this room has amazing lighting, it helps to have blackout on the back. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You can follow Rocky Mountain Wall Decals on Instagram at Rocky Mountain Decals, and I want to thank you all for watching.